What one generals? Welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. Today we just vibing, man. You see me in the office attire. I'm in the office. You know what that means. I'm in the office. Y'all already know what it is. So we just gonna chill today. We gonna vibe today. I'm gonna talk about the car so far. It's been what? About 3 months, I wanna say 3 months since I did the swap. I'm gonna tell y'all how it's going. If you didn't see my previous videos, go check out the previous videos so y'all can see how it's running right now. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion if you should go ahead and do this swap, if it's worth it. I mean, but first, before I get into all of that, I'm gonna stick a clip in here, pause, of me enjoying the car. It's a new clip, it's a new clip. So I'm gonna just stick a new clip in here of me enjoying the car. And we gonna get back to the video after that. Enjoy that clip. Like out. Feels so good, man. I love it. Feels good. I was trying to get some action, but the other guy, he turned the other way. The car feels so good, man. Fix this shifter. That's my main issue. I just need to fix it. Sucks so bad. See if I can launch. welcome back. Y'all saw that clip. I hope y'all enjoyed. So let's get to it, man. Let's dive right in there. So is the swap worth it? We're gonna answer that, but we're gonna answer that as we go. So the first thing is, if you don't know about the car, if you're new to the channel, it's a B20B JDM B20B swap. It's paired with GSR transmission. Now it's high compression too, so it's fun. Let me say that off the bat, it's fun. But if you're looking for the quickest of cars, I want to say it's not the quickest of cars. You already know the K series will probably be your best bet, but the K series swap is expensive. Now the K series engines are not, but the swap itself, in terms of all the supporting mods, is expensive. All the mounts and all of that, subframe, whatever, it's expensive. So it was easier for me to go with a B swap. Bolt right in. I already had my mounts, my Yanaka mounts. If you don't know the parts that I have in this car, you can check out the previous video. I'm gonna stick the link right here. You can check that out. But the mounts, I already had those. It's a B to D. BD, you can use, it's a drop in. It's a drop in. B or D, it's a drop in. Not everything can drop right in, because you got to change your rear mount. The rear mount has to change if you want to drop a B swap in your hatch. Like, this is the 97 hatch. If you don't know, it's a 97 Civic hatchback. Now, I've been having a blast with this car. It is not the quickest car. It's a little peppy for what it is. Let me put it like that. It's a little peppy for what it is. I totally enjoy this car. If I want to go, it goes. You know what I mean? It goes. I love the sound of it. I love how it picks up, how it runs. I mean, I'm just enjoying the car, man. So I can't lie to you. For me, it is worth the swap. For me, it is worth the swap. It's inexpensive. That's one of the biggest things. You can do this on a budget. I did this swap for less than $3,000, I would say. Yeah, for less than $3,000. Previously, I boosted the D series that was in there. It had a D16 Y7 head and D16 Y8 head and a Y7 block. I boosted it. I did not enjoy the car as much because it was, you know, when you boost your car, you gotta really tune your car to get what you really need out of it. I didn't have a tuner at that time, so I had someone looked it over and it was fine, but I needed some deeper tuning and my fuel this, my fuel that, my air fuel, whatever. When it goes into boost world, it's totally different. But I did not know much about the boost world itself. I just did it because I wanted to have a turbo car, but I wanted to build my first turbo car, which I did. So that was pretty amazing. I can't lie about that. I heard I actually heard that. So that was fun for me. But I'd wish I went B swap instead of boosting the car. I can't lie about that. And I said it before though. The reason why I would rather the B swap instead of turbo in the car, because I didn't have a tuner. I don't have a tuner. Well, this is not tuned, but I am beating on it as if it is. You know what I mean? Yeah, I put a base map on it. I adjust some things because it's easier that way for me. I kind of understand a little bit about the NA tuning and stuff. Not the greatest, but I understand it a little bit. I also put a tune on my buddy's car too, and we changed up some stuff. We did some things, so it is not bad. I am really enjoying the car, man. If you don't believe me, go check out the previous videos. I am stomping on this car, man. I haven't hit rev limiter yet because I'm kind of scared of hitting rev limiter, but I am pushing it, man. I am pushing it. I was supposed to do a run with my boy, but our schedule he's busy, I'm free, I'm busy, he's free. So it's kind of all over the place, man. So, but I'm gonna get this run in, man. We gonna lock this run in. And because I really want to see how good this is. He also have a EK hatch. It's on the channel as well. It's a white EK hatch. Nothing was in there at the time when I did a video on it. Now it's completed. I'm gonna get a video on that too. It's completed. Got a B20, same B20B, almost the same setup as mine. He has oh damn, I forgot what kind of trans he got, but we gonna get that run in, so y'all gonna know more about that car. But yeah, so stay tuned for that run, because we gonna make it happen. It's really cold now, so as slow as this car is, it does fight for traction. I don't know if it's my tires, but it does fight for traction. So yeah, we gonna get that run in. You also have a B16. I want to put it up against a B16 as well. Well, we all know the B16 will probably outdo this, but I want to see for myself. So we gonna get that run in as well. So I'm gonna just do a quick walk around the car, show y'all what's going on. I didn't really make any changes, so nothing have changed if you've been keeping up with my videos. But for the new guys that came in, welcome. And I'm gonna just do a quick walk around. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Road to 500. We gonna get there. I promise you. And I appreciate everyone that's been watching the videos, that's been tuning in, that's been liking the videos, commenting. I really appreciate y'all, man. And we gonna get, I'm telling you, next year is gonna be crazy, because next year we gonna do some upgrades. I don't want to give away too much, but we gonna do some upgrades coming next year. It's gonna be crazy. I already know. I probably gave out some hints in the previous videos. I probably did, but y'all gonna see, man. We got some crazy upgrades coming, so y'all stay tuned on the channel, man. I'm gonna do just a quick walk around, show y'all what's going on, and appreciate y'all. Let go. Yep. So here's the car. Much haven't changed if y'all been keeping up with my videos. Still need to change this filter. I don't know why I haven't changed it as yet. And I've been driving the car like every day. That's the fun part about this car. You can drive it every day, man. And I got a stage 1 clutch in there. And it actually feels like a 4, but it feels like you can drive it every day. Every day. It feels like, yep. So I haven't showed inside the car as much. Really need to do some upgrades in here too, but I just want to get the outside and then the engine bay and everything. And look, car seats for my kiddos, man. I do drive this every day, man. I told you, man, I have fun driving this car, man. It is really fun. I really enjoy this car. Yep, so the B20 swap, it's worth it for me, man. It is worth it for me. I really have fun with this car. Every day. Every day. I'm telling y'all. No one have pulled up to me yet. I've just been getting compliments. No one pulled up and say they want to run it yet. I don't know why. But I've just been getting crazy compliments, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, so, man, I've been getting hella compliments about the car. Got like Evo people, Mustang people, everybody's been telling me they like the car, man. And it's nowhere near to where I want it. I promise you, it's nowhere near. I got a vision for this car, man, but that money, I gotta get that money up, man. This is getting expensive. So I need to get that money up so I can really bring the vision out and y'all see how I really want this car, man. So just stay tuned with the vision, man. We gonna get there. We gonna get there. Stay tuned. We got it. So I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching the videos. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we out.